Hey folks, this is Jordan here at Phillips Chevrolet, and today we are sitting in a 2024 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss, and I'm going to be going over the display layout and how to switch that. So I'm going to hand the camera over here to me, and I'm going to go through the layout here, right? So right here, this little dial and these buttons are how we switch through the layout. So when I click over to the left, you can see those icons changing at the top, lighting up orange, right? And the one we need to go to is the settings layout, which is this one all the way to the right. And we're gonna go to display layout. And there's 4 different ones that we can switch through: classic, progressive, digital, and clean. And I just wanna give you a view on all of those. Progressive, I like progressive, but classic is my personal favorite. Digital, clean, which is going to have almost nothing on there, right? Just your speedometer. But even if we go here to classic and it's got the 2 different layouts, I can even change those too, right? So it's got a left side info and right side info, which we can change. Left side to have compass, time, tire pressure on there, right? You can have whatever you want, totally customize it to what you like. And then as well on the right side. And then last but not least, the lower gauges right here to change what we want on those, right? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have fun customizing your new Silverados, and come on down to Phillips and see us. Thank you.